Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to give you an update on some new routines I've added into my home just to make my day-to-day life a little bit easier. I have a toddler, my son's about to be 2 years old, and I've had so many home things that I have just put on the back burner, some maintenance things that I've just neglected. Basically, since my son was born. So now that he's a little bit older, I am finally getting some things in my home checked off. I've actually finally started decorating for the fall season, and I'm also just trying to focus on some home repairs and things that I've just been putting off. And I also discovered a home maintenance service called Honey Homes. And once I found out about Honey Homes, I just wish that I knew about this when I was buying a home, because it is a home maintenance service subscription. And there are so many times that I need a handyman for random tasks or something goes wrong in my home, and you just can't predict that. But Honey Homes takes care of that by having this subscription service where you can have a home maintenance plan for a year and schedule a repair with a local vetted handyman that can check so many home repairs, home maintenance items off your to-do list with very little effort. And they also have an app where you can schedule and organize all these tasks, so it's just seamless. Whenever something comes up in your home, you can put it in the app, communicate with your handyman. You can let the tasks build up to a few different tasks, and then when you're ready to schedule a visit, it's all in app. And what's awesome is that in the app, they also show you what's been done. They take pictures along the way of each task that's been completed. So this has been so game-changing as a homeowner who definitely does not have a lot of time to keep track of these home repairs. I feel like I've definitely had a shift in my life with becoming a mom and just keeping up with all the day-to-day tasks and just running my home really efficiently. But some things just definitely fall through the cracks, and I love having a service that helps me stay on top of them. If this sounds like something you want to add to your home maintenance routine, Honey Homes is available in a few different major cities. I'm based here in Los Angeles, and they're also available in the Bay Area, Austin, Dallas, and Chicago. And I also want to let you guys know a little bit more about the app, because I think that's what really sets it apart from other home maintenance services. I can just book my next visit right in app. So in the app, I can see my to-do list, and I honestly just walked through my entire house, indoor and out, and just looked for every little crack in the paint or just any knob that's fallen off a handle or a drawer that I just have been putting off, or I just started living with and haven't noticed in years. And once all these things were fixed, I'm like, why have I not fixed this sooner? Because there was just little things that were driving me crazy in my home. So yeah, you could just put everything in a to-do list in the app, and with each visit you can prioritize different items of your list. And what I really love is that my handyman will take pictures of the before, after, and the process of everything they did. And they list out every single task that was completed and the process of completing it. And if there's any items that you need for home repairs, you can share with your handyman if you plan on purchasing them or if they can purchase them for you. For example, I baby proofed my son's dresser, so I needed to buy some anchors to anchor them to the wall to keep his dresser in place. And my handyman and I were messaging. He said, I can purchase these for you, or you can purchase them. I ended up just purchasing them on my own because I already knew the ones that I was planning on getting, and I had him just install them. Super simple. So anything like that is just very easily communicated. The main project we completed in our home this month was upgrading our kitchen faucets, which was just a few hours of removing our faucets, installing new ones, and we just, between meals, we had completely new faucets in our kitchen. And then we also had a few repairs throughout our home. We had some chipping baseboard paint that I have been living with for honestly 2 years. That was fixed in under 30 minutes, and it just completely transforms the look of my hallways in my home. And I'm just looking through the list of everything I had my handyman complete in my home this month, and there was just so many little tasks that I had been putting off. Like I had some missing door handles or drawers that just were falling apart that he completely fixed for me within just one visit. And this was just like a very seamless, easy process, and I'm just so happy to have it all done. And I do have more things that I want to repair my home through the rest of the year that I can just keep track of and prioritize in the app. So Honey Homes has been so game changing for tackling all of those home projects. And if you're interested in trying them out, they gave me 20 trial spots for a 30-minute home walkthrough visit along with a 1.5 hour working visit. If you want to get any of those tasks out of the way before the holiday season, now's your chance to try it out. So I'll have the link for Honey Homes below, and I'll keep you posted on some home updates I have planned throughout the rest of the year. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.